Checking for duplicates looks like it needs a nested loop, but there's a hash set trick that does it in one pass. You're given an integer array and need to return true if any value appears at least twice, otherwise false. For example, with the array 1, 2, 3, 1, the answer is true because the number 1 shows up 2 times. The straightforward way is to compare every pair of elements with 2 loops, which runs in quadratic time and constant extra space. That becomes far too slow once the array grows beyond a few thousand items. The key insight is to remember what you've already seen using a hash set. Create an empty set, then iterate through the array once. For each number, if it's already in the set, you've found a duplicate and can return true immediately. Otherwise, add the number to the set and continue. If the loop finishes without a match, return false. Let's trace the optimal method on the example 1, 2, 3, 1. Start with an empty set. First element 1 not in set, add it. Next 2 not in set, add it. Next 3 not in set, add it. Final element 1 already in set, so we return true right there. You'll recognize this pattern whenever you need to detect duplicates or check membership quickly in an array or stream. Time complexity is linear, big O of n, because each element is processed once. Space complexity is also linear, big O of n, for the hash set that may store all distinct values. Try the next problem, same pattern. Subscribe for more DSA walkthroughs.